If more people recycle and clean up, then trash wouldn't build up and become a problem for our oceans. A study found that 95% of fulmars, a type of seabird, had about 44 pieces of plastic in its stomach per bird. Do you know what my topic's going to be about just from that statement I just said?
Reciclaje.
Waste.
Something about the ocean.
Okay, my topic is actually about the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. The research for this speech was found in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, ProQuest, Ann Arbor, Duchette Kit, and Ocean of Plastic, Rolling Stone. Summer Hannah, scientists get ready to begin Pacific Garbage Patch Cleanup, The Guardian magazine.
Yeah.
The problem was found in 1997. Charles Moore, a commander of a 20-foot-ton research vessel called the Alguta, discovered in the North Pacific Gyre, which are these two things, that encompassed around 10 million square miles. The reason why it's important is that the gyre is home to trade winds and circular currents. For this reason, whatever drifts in it will be stuck for months, years, sometimes even years. What he found was floating debris that he called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It's a swirling patch of trash that accumulated over the years from trash entering the gyre. No one knows the exact size of the garbage patch, but it's estimated to be the size of Texas. However, its shape depends entirely on water temperature, seasons, and weather events like El Nino, and may contain more than 10 million types of various types of waste, which pose a threat to local wildlife that accidentally eat the particulated plastic. For example, animals are dying as a result of this pollution, like albatross chicks dying from starvation with their bellies full of plastic, or sea turtles getting tangled up with debris. Picture. A solution was found to help our waste from entering the ocean and slowly reducing it. One of these is trying to convert the ocean's plastic waste problem into fuel. One of the primary ingredients to make plastic is crude oil, and 3.4 million barrels of oil are used to make plastic at our level of consumption. Alkana Zatgonakar, head of Nagapur, India, stated that if you break down plastic, you will get liquefied hydrocarbon. She developed a system with a secret catalyst and can turn 1 kilogram of plastic into 1 liter of hydrocarbon that can then be distilled into a rough gasoline that's suitable to power machinery. However, there's a downside. To make 1 kilogram of fuel, it takes 1 kilogram of plastic and 100 grams of coal, which doesn't make the whole process eco-friendly. But there are actions that are taking place with an ambitious project to have a massive floating barrier that collects 5 tons of plastic each month. A group of scientists and engineers began a project to clean up the plastics in the Pacific Ocean. It will be a 600-meter long floating barrier that will be launched off the coast of San Francisco. It was created by a Dutch inventor, Boyan Slat, who spent the last 5 years testing 273 prototypes, part of a Netherlands-based project. The current design is nicknamed Wilson, is the shape of giant sea, shape 2, along with a 3-meter skirt underneath that will collect plastic waste on the ocean's surface. So you can see how it looks like. Some wording here if you can read it. Here's how it actually looks from San Francisco. People more often recycling will reduce the waste to reproduce. Researchers claim the project can remove 90% of the plastics by 2040. That will be all. Thank you.